To set a timer on Instagram camera, start by opening the Instagram app on your device. Once the app is open, navigate to the camera section by tapping the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the camera view where you can take photos or videos. Next, select the camera mode you want to use, such as photo or video mode. You can switch between these modes by tapping the mode selector at the bottom of the screen. After selecting the mode, look for the timer icon at the top right corner of the screen. The timer icon is represented by a clock symbol. Tap the timer icon to enable the timer feature. Once you tap the timer icon, you will see a drop-down menu with options to set the timer duration. You can choose from 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds. Select the timer duration that suits your needs. After setting the timer duration, point the camera at your subject and tap the capture button. The timer will start counting down, and the photo or video will be taken automatically when the timer expires. You can use the timer feature to take hands-free photos or videos, which can be useful for taking selfies or group photos. To cancel the timer, tap the timer icon again before the countdown is over. This will disable the timer, and you can take the photo or video manually by tapping the capture button. It is worth noting that the timer feature is only available when using the main camera and not when using other camera modes such as boomerang or reels. By following these steps, you can easily set a timer on Instagram camera and take hands-free photos or videos. The timer feature is a useful tool that can help you take better photos and videos, especially when you need to be in the photo or video yourself.